Welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Horizons. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated drones of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. With whispers of innovative technology, improved features, and groundbreaking updates, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to redefine what compact drones can offer. Rumors suggest that DJI is gearing up for a September 2024 release for the Mini 5 Pro. This launch window aligns perfectly with DJI's traditional release schedule, as we've seen consistent annual upgrades to their Mini series. One of the most thrilling updates revolves around the 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. Historically, this type of technology was reserved for DJI's premium drone models. However, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to integrate a cutting-edge combination of visual, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors to provide full environmental awareness. This system will enable smoother, safer flights, even in complex environments like dense forests or urban areas. The camera system of the Mini 5 Pro could be its standout feature. Rumors point to a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This leap in sensor size promises superior image quality, with enhanced dynamic range and better performance in low-light scenarios. Dynamic range captures stunning scenes with rich details in both bright and shadowed areas. Low-light mastery, from golden hour landscapes to twilight cityscapes, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to excel in challenging lighting conditions. 4K video at 60 FPS. This rumored feature has content creators buzzing for the Mini 5 Pro. The buzz is around an upgraded 8 GB internal storage, quadrupling its predecessor's capacity. The Mini 5 Pro aims to push boundaries with an estimated 40 minutes of flight time per charge. More creative freedom. Explore new locations without the constant need to recharge. Extended coverage. Capture extended sequences and multiple angles in a single flight. Reduced despite its compact size, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include professional-grade features typically found in larger drones. This combination of portability and power makes it an attractive option for photographers, filmmakers, and hobbyists alike. Its lightweight design will likely keep it under the 250 g threshold, exempting it from many regulatory restrictions. De-anxiety. Spend less time worrying about battery levels and more time focusing on your airy artistry. Improved signal stability, ensuring reliable connections over longer distances. Enhanced live streaming, higher resolution live feeds directly to your smartphone or controller, given the Mini 5 Pro's anticipated features. Industry insiders predict a price range between $700 and $800, a larger sensor for superior image quality. Improved storage for seamless workflows. Extended battery life for uninterrupted creativity. Thank you for watching Tech Horizons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest Tech Titan reviews. Stay tuned for future videos, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of cutting-edge drones.